Hi, this is Raxel and welcome back to another custom ROM review. This is the overclocked version of Syberia. The screen is overclocked in this build. Alright, I have made this content because some of the user has requested to make content on this custom ROM. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the fingerprint, right? And the fingerprint is fast and smooth. Wait, let me enable this. You see the fingerprint is fast. There is no error in the recognition. And what we have here is the launcher is launcher 12.0, right? You have seen this launcher before, so I'm not going to go through this, right? Let's go to settings, about Android. See, the Android version is 12. If you move to 12 o'clock, you will see Easter egg, right? And we have the latest security patch update, 5th January 2022, right? And the kernel is Soviet Star, but the SE Linux is missing here. I don't see SE Linux here, but I think the SE Linux is enforcing. It should be enforcing, right? Let's see the Geekbench score. We have the single score 748 and the multi score is 2780, right? This is a pretty good score from Syberia, and Syberia is a good custom ROM if you are gamer, if you are trying to play competitive games in Pubg or BGMI, then definitely Syberia is the best custom ROM for me. And this is the overclock build. Okay, let's go and see the Drm Info. You see here, supported refresh rate is 72 Hz, right? This is the overclock build, and security level is L1. See, this is the note here of this custom ROM. This is a OC build, means overclock, meaning the kernel has been overclocked for even better performance. Also, the refresh rate is 72 Hz, which is higher than the normal 60 Hz by default. And see, you can install the normal kernel 60 Hz if you don't want the overclock. See, overclocking your screen or refresh rate will give you much better frame per second. It will give you more performance in gaming. It will give you better FPS in gaming like Pubg, BGMI, right? Overclocking your screen will damage your screen over time, but if you are ready to take the risks, then you can definitely try. And anyway, it's your phone, nobody can stop you from that, right? You are at your own risks, right? So let me install Chrome. Wait, see the Play Store settings. You have device is certified out of the box. That is good, right? And let's see the safety net, right? Run the test, and the safety net should pass. Yes, all the profile is success, right? So there is no problem with your banking application. You can use them without any issues, right? And the camera we have here is very good. I have tried You see the shutter speed is very quick here, right? Boom. I have some pictures that I took with this camera. Here you can see the camera quality is good, right? Portrait, normal, it's great. And you have lots of options here: portrait, night sight, video, and you see here in more settings, you see here you get video stabilization, OIS, right? And you get to record 60 fps in 4K right here, focus tracking video. And yeah, you will need Magix installed in your device to get 90 fps, right? In Battlegrounds Mobile India you don't get 90 fps option in Battlegrounds Mobile India in your Redmi K20 Pro, so you will need to install Magix module and you can enable 90 fps mode. Then you can use the 72hz, the capability of this overclock build in the game, right? So we are going to install Magix module and I will show you how to do that, right? And I will leave the link in the description of the modules. You can download them from the description. All right, let's reboot to recovery, custom recovery, and install Magix. Okay, so this is the Magix V23.0 zip file. We are going to flash this, and this will give you root access in your phone. It's flashing. Successful. Just reboot system. Now we need to update Magix. After downloading the Magix, then it will completely install the Magix in your phone, and that will give you root access in your device. I assume you know that. Okay, we need to give permission. Update, we need to update. Okay, it's okay. Now it's done, right? Now we will install Magix module here. Magix module 90 fps. I will just download from Telegram. Here, okay, here it is. Shipped to download. Okay, now let's flash the modules in Magix. Unlock 90 fps in Pubg Mobile for all devices, right? Okay, it's done. Now just reboot. Let's see Magix modules. Okay, the Magix module is completely installed. Unlock 90 fps, right? Now we will open Pubg. Before we open Pubg, I would like to install FKM, Franco Kernel Manager, to see the FPS right on the screen, right? Since we don't have the FPS tile here. Oh yeah, let me show you the tiles what you get here. See, these are the tiles you get: anti-flicker, caffeine, CPU info, AOD, right? Nothing much new. Permission, yeah. Enable floating window, disable all. We just need to see the FPS, right? And you can see the FPS in here. FPS test. You see, UFO test. Let's see. We have 72 fps running on top, 36 fps, 18 fps. The maximum frame rate you get in this build is 73 fps written here. Refresh rate 72 Hz, right? Battlegrounds Mobile India, and enable 90 fps. We have installed Magix module, right? So we should be able to play the games in 90 fps, but we are not going to get 90 fps in the game. We will only get 72 fps. That will be the highest frame per second, the 72 Hz, right? Graphics here. Now you have the option to enable 90 fps. Okay, you don't have the option to enable 90 fps in lobby, but you have the option in combat, right? We just need that. It's taking too much time. Okay, increase. See, now we have 72, 71, right? The refresh rate here, right? This will give you better frame per second in PUBG or BGMI, so you can play like this. Just install Magix module and you can use the 72 Hz in the game. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video, and if you enjoy watching content like this, then please consider subscribing the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything to help or support someone's channel, right? If you support the channel, it motivates me a lot to make such content. Okay, bye bye, peace out.